Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're going to give you a tour of another billion-dollar development taking place out here. We are at the corner of Whitechurch Street and the Spanish Town bypass. And this land that we're looking at is literally across the road from the warehouses by Bernard Lodge. And you know Bernard Lodge is a massive development. Over 15,000 homes going to be built there. So this plaza is going to be built at an ideal location. In addition, you have all the traffic on the Spanish Town bypass. So this plaza is going to be like similar to Fairview in Montego Bay. It's going to have stores, commercial, retail, a gas station, food stores. It should be very successful. Now, Spanish Town is a very busy place, and this is going to be one of the largest plazas built in Spanish Town. This is going to be a game changer for the area. So the land was bought for $658 million. We don't have a price for the construction, but it's in the billions. If the land alone is $658 million, it's a couple billion to build this plaza. And it's being done by ONLE Developing, and they also did the Parkway Plaza, Parkway Mall, or Parkway Square in Portmore, and the Waterloo Square in Kingston. And they are currently doing the One Reading development, which is 100 units in Montego Bay, residential units out by Reading, very close to where the Pinnacle is doing their development. And they also did Soleil, Soleil in Montego Bay, and a few other developments. So, as you can see, this was swampland. It's 24 acres that they dumped up and put in all the necessary, and developed to get it to where it is now. Alright guys, we will so we're going to go through an article that gives us more information on what's happening here. ONLE is developing New Spanish Town, a shopping center located off the Spanish Town bypass in St. Catherine. Drawing inspirations from previous ONLE projects, Waterloo Square in Kingston and Parkway Square in Portmore, this development aims to transform the area into a dynamic retail hub and with a modern and accessible shopping experience. It also serves as a central destination for residents, enhancing the retail landscape and contributing to local growth and development. And as we said earlier, a few stores have already rented space here. Courts, an auto parts store, a coffee store, a gas station, and a mini mart. Alright guys, we will keep you guys updated on this development. We'll give you regular updates. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.